Let's make a DIY graduation gift money box. This is a great gift for any graduate. You'll start off by printing inspiring graduation quotes and photos of the graduate on Avery Square labels, which I have linked in my blog post. You can also purchase 27 graduation quotes made exactly for this from my Etsy shop. Once those are printed off, you'll set them aside for a minute. Next up, we need some stickers to decorate the outside of the graduation money box. I used my Cricut to print out some logos from the college that my nephew is graduating from, but there are a lot of great options available on Amazon and linked in my blog post that are just some generic graduation stickers that you could use to decorate the outside of your box. You can also add the graduate's name and the year that they graduate. Now that the outside of the box is all decorated, we need to make the paper strip base that the pictures, quotes, and cash are going to be taped onto. What I did is take a dollar bill and use a dry erase marker to mark the exact size I needed to cut directly on my paper cutter. And that made it really easy and quick to cut all the strips I needed. Each strip needs to be slightly wider than a dollar bill. Next, you're going to tape these strips together with Scotch tape on both sides to make it really sturdy. I used about 15 strips for a $100 gift. Now we need washi tape, which I have linked to in my blog site, the cash you're going to add to the gift, and the stickers and quotes that we already printed off. This is totally the best part of this DIY, where you get to add everything to the paper strip. You can do this any way you want, but you'll need to leave a little space at the top to attach the dowel at the end. What I like to do is alternate the photos and quotes that we printed off on those Avery Square labels with the money. I like to use washi tape to attach the dollar bills to our paper strip because not only is it really fun graduation themed washi tape, but it also isn't so sticky that your dollar bills will get ripped when they remove it from the long paper strip. So here is my finished strip for this graduation box. You can see it's just a fun combination of dollar bills, inspiring graduation quotes, and photos of the graduate. Now we need to get the actual box ready, and we need to make an opening on the top. I used a dollar bill to figure out the exact measurement. I want to go a little bit bigger than that. And then I used a white colored pencil to mark it, a ruler, and a craft knife just to cut out that little slot. Once you clean up the slot, the next thing you'll do is add the word pull to the top of the box so the graduate knows what to do. You could use letters printed on your Cricut like I did here, or you could use letter stickers or even a white chalk marker and write pull on the top of the box yourself. Next, you'll want to go ahead and form the box. As you're doing this, you'll notice the two top flaps actually interfere with the slot. Mark it with a white colored pencil, cut it out, and then the paper will still be able to flow right through. Now we're going to make the dowel that's secured to the paper strip that the graduate will pull up on. I purchased wooden kebab sticks from the grocery store, cover it in washi tape, and then using a large piece of packing tape, I roll it up onto the dowel. We are almost to the finish line, my friends. Now you're going to roll the paper strip up starting from the bottom. Roll it as tightly as possible because remember we have to stick this into that 3x3 box. So just keep rolling until you get to the very tippity top. Once you get to the top, place it right in the box and stick the dowel through the slots. And there we have it, the finished DIY graduation money box. Your graduate will love seeing the photos, inspiring quotes, and of course the cash that you put inside. Make sure to head to thegiftygirl.com to get the list of everything you'll need to make this fun graduation gift.